1, 2, 3. Is it working? Is the microphone working? I put on a noise suppression thing on the microphone. I do not know how it sounds, so yeah. Nice, it actually sounds decent. Nice. Okay, I'm listening to it through my stream, and yeah, noise is gone, which is good. That's the good thing. The noise is gone. That's actually nice. Okay. So, let me show my screen real quick. Let me just go to here. I have a couple of things that I want to do to the stream. I'm sorry for burning your retinas out, but here. First off, I got the importing stuff that I want to do this stream, which is first off, data saving and the map. Two important things, because I want to at least get most of the game done by the end of the week, because next week I'm not going to be streaming daily, because I have school next week, so yeah. The other things, which if I do manage to somehow do these things this stream, this is what I'm going to do. But if anything, these are going to be next stream, so yeah. It sounds perfect. Nice. Good. At least this filter is actually working, that means, so yeah, that's good. So yeah. Yeah, sub count, that's important as well. But yeah. So, data saving and the map. The two most important things this stream. On top of that, if I do manage to do those things, well, I'll actually probably like do a playtest live on stream, because I mean it's still bare bones, but it's gonna be somewhat done, I guess. So yeah, and then later I'll add items and stuff, which is just, you know, mediocre stuff. It's easy to do. It's not gonna require scripting or anything. So yeah, let's continue. But first off, I want to promote something, which is next week. Let me show you. Next week, I think probably Saturday, so in 7 days' time, I'm going to do an event where me and all my viewers are going to make a game live on stream. So Saturday, probably around this time as well, like 7 p.m., or at least my time, 7 p.m., which you guys can't see in the corner, but yeah, my time, 7 p.m., so like right now, so literally like in exactly a week's time, I'm going to be doing viewers and me are going to make a game live on stream for like 2 hours. And I'll post a video out of it. I'll make a video out of it. So yeah. Let me actually pin that. Let me just go into here and pin it. How do I do this? How do I pin something? You know, say, join the Discord. Join the Discord? What do I write? How do I put this short? Because I don't want this to be a massive message. So join the Discord, viewers and me will make a game live next week. Okay, let me pin this. And how do I do that? And I think there's some way of pinning, if I'm correct. How do I click the... I can't click it. Put a link to it. I mean, it's in the description, but I guess I can. Wait, where did my message go? I posted a message, now it's gone. Huh, weird. Okay, I don't know. It just disappeared. The message just disappeared on my screen. That's fine. I'll probably, if anything, it'll just be Discord only thing, but I'll still stream it though. But yeah, let's actually continue, because I want to lock in these last 2 days to try and make a functional game this stream. So, the main thing I want to do is first I want to quickly do something, which is once the player leaves, I want to unassign the plot from them, because, you know, if they leave, just the plot's still technically going to be assigned to them, which is not what I want. So let's actually quickly do that. So I think to do that, we're going to have to go into player module. And in here, I'm going to do this. Where is it? Not change clothes. Update available plots. No. I forgot. What did I even do in update available plots? Interesting. Okay, there's assign plot. And we do this. A new function here. We're going to do function, player module. Actually, let me zoom this in a bit more. player module. So I'm going to do this. Player module dot remove plot. And we need the player. Because they're not going to be in the server anymore. We need to unassign it. There's no ping here besides pinging users, I guess. Okay, let's just continue. Okay, so first off, we're going to have to find the plot that we assigned to them. So to do that, I'm going to do this. Local plot is an equal to player dot what is it? Plot, I guess. I think it's literally just yeah, it's probably assigned plot literally there. Plot dot value. And then we're going to do this. Plot dot values dot player is going to equal to nil. And actually, I just thought of something. I need to actually I'm going to need to make another folder for each single plot that stores all the items, so I can just easily get rid of all of the items that they have in their plot. Because otherwise, you know, there's not going to be really an easy way of removing the items. So to do that, I'm just going to quickly do this, which is just make a folder. So just go make a folder, and in here I'm just going to, oops, didn't mean to do that. And in here we're going to do this, just call this items. What I'm going to do is copy and just paste this into every single plot. So plot 2, plot 3. Is there a quicker way of doing it? Control-Shift-V. Fine, let's try that new shortcut. Control-Shift-V. Nice, okay, it works. It's just a bit awkward to paste in. Still a bit awkward, but it works, I guess. There we go. We got 8 plots in. So that's good. 410 subs, yeah. I don't know why, but the second stream has 1.5k viewers. I mean, not viewers. Views. 1,500 views, which is somehow crazy. I do not know why it's specifically the second stream, because it kind of basically did nothing during the second stream. But yeah. Actually interesting. So yeah. Welcome everyone from the second stream, or like who got recommended the second stream, because I do not know why that got recommended so much. So yeah. Okay. So get the plot. I'm gonna do this. For underscore item in pairs, not I pairs from last stream. Thanks to that person who taught me to use pairs instead of I pairs, because that's actually useful to know. I'm gonna do this. My throat's getting dry already. So plot.items get children. So we're gonna get every single item inside of this items folder. And we do this. Welcome Spiffy and Tony to the stream. Okay, so for each item we're just gonna do this. Item destroy, because since they left the server, we do not want their items being left on the plot. Now I think that's it, if I'm correct? Or is it? Because we changed the value of values. Actually, no, yeah, that is, yeah, player.value. I forgot to put .value on the end of that. My bad. That would have errored otherwise. Ooh, we're getting a lot of viewers. Welcome Spiffy, Tony, and Carter to the stream. Welcome to all of you. Well, let's see, we already gained how many? 3 subscribers since we started the stream. Pretty good. I know subscribers aren't the thing that you shouldn't focus on subscribers, but rather the actual community. But still, it's still fun to see a number go up, you know? It's still fun just to see just a magical number grow each time. I think it's actually more important to get Discord members instead, because I'm planning on making a bunch of videos with Discord members. Because they are actually interesting and fun. And it makes the streams even more interesting because you can be a part of it. But yeah. Player module. Let's continue. Actually, no. I need to update the shop handler, because now we're not moving the item to workspace, but rather, it's still in workspace, but we're moving it to the folder. So yeah, plot item.parent is equal to plot.value.items. There we go. That should be done if I'm correct. Actually, no. I still need to check when the player leaves the game. I didn't do that yet. So player.player added, yeah. We have to do this instead. So players.player removing connect. Because you run this whenever the player is getting removed. That's if I can type correctly. Player, there we go. The player, and we do this. We just do player module dot player. Oh, what was that? Plot? Yeah, remove plot. We just input the player, and that should be good enough. I'm just gonna print. It's not required. I'm gonna just type in print. Print removing player plot. There we go. That should work. And all I have to do now is test it real quick. So let me see. Let's pray. I mean, what am I saying? I'm saying let's pray. Hey, I have a question. Sure, Carter. When you end, can you send the game link about data stores? Yeah, say your question. I could probably answer it. When you end, can you send the game link? I'm actually thinking about like mid-stream or end of the stream, getting every single viewer into a server and test it out. Or not every single viewer. That's if we get 8 players into a server, you know. Notable. Try to watch as many videos as I can. I think I'll. Yeah, I don't understand what you said there. Okay, let's see. This is another problem I kind of noticed. For some reason, all these NPCs, they want to walk not on the sidewalk, but they want to be, you know, mischievous and walk next to the sidewalk here for some reason. I do not know why. But you all just want to congregate on the side of the sidewalk instead, because for some reason their pathfinding AI thinks that this is the most optimal way of getting to their thing. Like, look, like they walk up to here, and they just disappear. It's like, I don't get it. I don't know why they think that's the optimal path. So I'm gonna have to change that, so yeah. The game looks nice, thanks for that. I'm probably gonna plan on making the map to stream, but yeah. Let's see, let me buy the Happy Rock. There we go, we bought the Happy Rock, and now if I leave, so I press stop, it should get rid of it, but I can't really test that at the moment. We'll see if it errors though, I can check that at the very least. Actually, no. I can actually test it, I just realized. I can make a 2-player server and test it. And just make a 2-player local server and test this out. We can make this happen. So this script is not working, I'm so confused. I mean, join my Discord server. Join my Discord server, because look, it's in the link in the description. I have a dev chat and dev help section. I'd rather you post it in here because, you know, if you post it into, you know, to YouTube chat, just not the best way of helping. So I'd rather you just join the Discord server, go into dev help, and create a post here. And yeah, either me or like the other 20 members in the server can help you. And as well as that, please join the Discord server because I want people to join. What happened? Login failed. An error occurred while logging into Studio. What do you mean an error occurred? Interesting. Yeah, I don't know why that happened, but it doesn't matter. Okay, there's player 1, but player 2 isn't loading in for some reason. Interesting. Actually, I don't think I need a second player, though, because I think we have the server. Don't we have the server? Yeah, we got the server here, so it's actually fine. Let me see, let's test this out. So we got the player. Let's go into here. And let's give myself $5. So let me go into the server. Actually, I'm not logging in here. I don't know why player 2 needs a login for some reason. So, yeah. Let's just quickly give myself some money. So let's go into players, player 1, leader stats, money, and give myself, let's say $6 for now. Let's go back to here. Let's buy myself something. Let me buy a Happy Rock. There we go, I got Happy Rock, and now, if I leave the server, so I press L to leave, let's see what happens. Nice, okay, it disappeared, L disappeared, and now, they shouldn't donate to me. Yeah, I do not know why some of the clothes haven't loaded in for them. That's a bit awkward. We'll see about that, but yeah. The values, let's check the values. Yeah, it's unassigned, there. Okay, that's good. It works. Getting, unassigning that works, so, yeah. Okay, so let's do what I actually wanted to do, which is data saving. Which is kind of a spooky topic because I'm not the best at data saving. You know, data stores and stuff. So, that's why I'm using something called Data Store 2. Which basically is a script, or a module script, that makes data saving way easier and way more reliable. So, to do that, I need to first off actually put in the Data Store 2 script. So, to do that, we're going to go into Server Script Service, and I'm going to have to go and find Data Store 2 download I have on my PC. So I'm going to real quick just hide my screen because I want to find, I don't want you guys looking through my file explorer for my personal, you know, information. I don't want you guys seeing my face and stuff, so yeah. And my images, but let's see. I think I have it downloaded somewhere. Let's see, where is it? I remember downloading it somewhere. I just need to find it real quick. Where's Data Store 2? Data Store 2. It was somewhere, I swear. I swear I downloaded it, I just need to find it. If anything, I'll just download it a second time. Huh, yeah, I can't find it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and download it a second time then. Welcome Rosa's Diaries to the stream. Welcome. I feel like I'm just gonna go and download it real quick. Data Store 2. Okay, let me just share my screen because I don't care about my browser. Okay, there we go. There we go, Data Store 2. Let's go into here and let's do some stuff. Data Store 2, there we go. I need to download. So where do I find the download link? It was somewhere, I swear it was somewhere, I just need to find it. Data Store 2 download. Installation, yeah, that's what I need. I need the installation file. Okay, I need to download from GitHub. Sure, let's do that. I think this will be the second time I'm going to be using Data Store 2, which, yeah. Like, let me get the RBXM file, and I'll just paste it into Roblox, into my game, and yeah. So, did it download? Downloads. Here's downloads. Yeah, Data Store 2. Let's just drag it into here. There we go. Where did it paste into? There we go. Data Store 2. That's exactly what I need. So, let's put into here. We got Data Store 2. And now I need to quickly do something, which is set up or look at the tutorial, because I need to figure out how to do this properly, not haphazardly like before. Okay, I'll just go into basic example because that's what I need to do. Okay. Yeah, save in studio. I need to make a bool value real quick, because Data Store 2 requires you to make a bool value if you want to save in studio, because saving in studio can be laggy sometimes. So I have to make this thing called save in studio. Let me just tick this to true. There we go. Now, we got that down. Let's start figuring out how to use state in Data Store 2. So, first off, let's see what they recommend here. So first off, you need to require Data Store 2. You need to combine your data. Got it. Get the point store, Data Store 2 points player. Okay. Okay, I think I get it. So first off, we need to go into our leader stats. So, leader stats folder. And in here, you need to require. So near local players, when I do this, local Data Store 2 is an equal to require script.parent.data store 2. We first off require it, and now the next thing we're going to do is combine some keys, because that's what you need to do with it. So, datastore2.combine, we're going to need to combine money. So we're going to, instead of points, we're going to do money. So datastore2.combine, in the main here, it's going to call it data, I guess. And in here, we're gonna do money. We're gonna call it money. Here we go. Next, we need to make some stores, or where we're gonna save it. So we're gonna do local money store. Actually, I'm gonna do lowercase because it looks better. Money store is an equal to data store 2. How's the actual proper syntax? Like, we need the key, so money. Because you love that money. And we get the player. There we go. Get the player, local leader stats. Yeah, we make the leader stats. We make the points. Okay, points.value is equal to point store get. And the 0 means this is the default currency, or default amount if you don't have any. You could learn how to develop a game. Go build city. Nah, I first want to make the data store system. Once I make the saving, that's when we're going to actually start building, you know, make the map. Since last stream, you guys picked for me to make a system, which is what the loading screen was. And now this stream, we're going to actually finish the map. If we have enough time. But even then, I don't think making the data store I don't think the data store is going to take that long to make, so yeah. Points.value, let's change this, so we go into leader stats. I'm just going to move this to front so it's easier to access. And instead of setting the value to 0, I'm going to do this. Money store, get. And the default amount is going to be $0 because we are broke, we're homeless, we're not going to start off we're not going to start off any money because, you know, we're homeless at the beginning. And we're going to be homeless at the end, but we're just going to have like a golden toilet or something. You know? Okay. Points.on on update. This function runs every time the value inside the data store changes. Ah, so this is a event. Okay. Let's do that. Let's go here, and we're gonna do this. Is it? We do run this inside of player added. Okay, yeah, we do. Okay, got you. Do this. Money store. On update, or is that how you're supposed to do it? Yeah, on update. I'm gonna type in new value. Because it changes. Wait, am I doing something wrong? Ah, you have to make an anonymous function. Anonymous function, there we go, that should work. And then we just change money.value to new value. Not new proxy, new value. There we go. That should be the first thing. And now I think our money system should be set up. But now we need to actually set up the points and then later upgrades. So what I need to do now is set up the... what is it? I need to set up a table now because I need to save a table of items, which I do not know how to make or how to save tables in Data Store 2. As you can see, this is way easier than regular data stores because you don't have to make whatever the hell you need to do with regular data stores. All you need to use is point store get, on update, and then set or increment. So yeah, that's the good thing. Okay. But another thing you need to do is actually go into the AI pedestrian, and in the donate script, donate function, we have to change it to data store 2 because we need to save it. So where's my pedestrian AI system? It's not here. I forgot, it's just in here. Pedestrian AI, there we go. And again, we need to define data store 2, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna do local data store 2 is equal to require script, or not script, we're gonna do game dot server storage dot what is it? Server storage dot yeah, data store 2, I'm done. No, not server storage, service dot data store 2. There we go. Go to the donate script, or in donate function, donate to player, and let's set up some things. First off, we're not gonna need leader stats anymore, but we're not gonna do that yet, because the first thing we're gonna have to do is get the player's money stat or money value. So we're gonna do this. Local money store is equal to data store 2. I think it's the thing, so money, the key, which is this, money, and the player, so just player. There we go. We get money store, and I'm gonna do this. Money multiplier, no, that's not what I need. Money.value is not that. We're gonna do this. Money store, oops, that's a cooking spell. Money store, increment. I basically just add on this amount. And you just copy this thing. There we go. And you paste it into here. There we go. And same here, we're just gonna do this. Money.value. Nope. We're gonna use increment instead. And we're just gonna move this into the parameters. There we go. Delete those, and that should be done with the, I think, money. I just need to figure out how to do items now, how to save items. So let's go researching in the data store 2 documents. So, let's see. What's the gotchas? Yeah, that's combining, but I don't want combining. I need to see how to save tables. Okay, set. Let's read the documentation. Data store set. We'll set the cache data. Yeah, that's not what I need. Get. Yeah, save all. I guess that's to save everything. Clear cache. No. Get table. Ooh, wait. Let's see. Get table. We'll get the value either from the cache or Roblox data stores and patch you with the default value if it doesn't have the keys. For example, if you have the data, the coin 0. Yeah. If you want to add a gems field, just depending on the default value for get won't work, and it won't add the key. Or use get table. Okay, got you. This is not necessary to use tables of data store 2. We can save/retrieve tables just like any other piece of data. Got you. Okay, I think I get it. Let's do that then. A data store 2, more like data store 2. Too good. Whoa, yeah, you totally roasted me. I have the game that I made without knowing to script a lot, but is playable. It has game passes and badges, also Easter eggs. Can I send a link to see if anyone likes it? I'm not sure if the YouTube chat actually allows you to send links. I think it like automatically like blocks it in a way. Is the data so important that you would use data store 2? I mean, you can do it with regular data stores too, but to be honest, I can't bother, using data stores. I can't bother setting it up, so I'd rather use data store 2 because it does basically everything for you except actually saving the data. You have to just run you just have to use two functions, and that's it. And then all the rest is just done for you. So yeah, that's why I want to use data store 2. Okay, data store get table. Let's set this up. So to set that up, we do this. We go back to, where is it? Not shop script, where's leader stats? There we go, leader stats. We do this. In here, I'm going to do this. Local items is going to equal to instance, actually, no, do we need instance? No, we don't need that. So how are you going to save the data and retrieve data? I just use get. I just realized I forgot. Just do data store 2 get table. I just literally forgot. I was literally researching a second ago. I already forgot. I guess I'm going like into goldfish mode where I have 3-second memory. Yeah, it's get table. There we go. Get table. And that's it. Because we're not setting any default values, because if they don't have any items, we're not going to give them any items at the beginning. Just like that. So, if that, I'm going to do this. I'm going to check if they have each key rather than just if they have data. Yeah. Got you. And I just realized I should probably set items. Get table. Get. Set. New value. Oh yeah, I just realized I forgot I have to do this as well. Local item store is equal to data store 2 items player. Almost forgot to do that. Kind of forgot to do that. Yeah, let's combine these then. Data store 2. We're gonna combine them because how data stores work is that it's better to just put everything into one massive table rather than doing them separately, just to like save on bandwidth essentially. And basically, the data store 2 does that for us by basically just putting all the data into like a massive thing, which is good for me because I do not want to fiddle around with that stuff. What did I call it again? Yeah, items. It's called items. There we go. That's what we want. Okay, so we combine them. We get the money and item store, yeah. Local items, which should not be using data store 2, but rather item store. There we go. We get the table, just like that, and again. Actually, we don't need to do on update, because we're not actually showing the actual table to the players. We're only showing them the physical items, so we don't need to actually do that. Okay, there we go. Now, we need to go to the shop script, the shop handler, because we have to actually put the item into here. Then later, we're gonna have to, once we make the data store, you know, with functional items, functional item data store, we need to actually load into items once the player joins in. So, yeah. But that's a bit later. Let's first actually input the data store. So, let's see how to do this. Retrieved event. Yeah, got you. We clone it. Okay, so we got the item. Is this one we already checked if they have enough? Yeah, okay, this is good. So, what we're gonna do now is this. We're gonna do this. We need to save every single item name, because we don't need to save the physical item, we just need to save the item name specifically. And the way we're gonna retrieve the items is just using this thing to check item thing, and yeah. That's a bit later. What's the game? Basically it's a simulator game where you're basically homeless and you have to basically beg on the streets when there's like AI pedestrians walking into, you know, the sidewalks. And if you want to read a bit deeper in, I have a Google Doc in the description of stream, which you can read a bit about what the game actually is. I mean, I haven't updated in like 5 days, which I should probably do, but yeah. Currently I'm just making the data store saving system, where you actually save your items that you buy. Yeah, local item, when you have to do this. First, we got the leader stats, so let's make this. Yeah, first off, I need to get the data store to variable. I should fine, I'll just do it again. Actually, now I can just go into pedestrian AI, I just realized. Just copy from pedestrian AI. Copy everything from the script. Yeah, just Control-C, Control-V. There we go. Goodbye 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, welcome 2024. I guess. Okay, we got data store 2. Go back to, where is it? The item. When we get local item store is equal to data store 2, what was it? Items, and then player. There we go. And then we need to set. But how does set work? How does the set function work, or method work with tables? Because I don't want to screw something up. How do you set it? Yeah, I'm actually kind of afraid I'm gonna might mess this up. So data store 2 tables. Let's just search up the dev forums and see how other people implemented yeah, saving tables in data store 2. Because I'm afraid I'm gonna like screw up user data or like mess it up. And actually, I'm not afraid because currently I'm the only person. I'm currently the only person with with data, and currently there's only one item. But yeah, I want to save a table of character part names and stuff in data store 2. I'm honestly clueless how to properly save and load the tables. Yeah. You can save tables the same way you save any data and loading as well. Tables are no different to blah blah blah. Okay. But we need to use get table. You can save it exactly the same as anything else. Like how you could save with get and such. You can use the same with a table. You can use You can use get table, but I don't see any need. You don't need to have those inside, just leave it blank. Okay, that's the first thing, okay. This person is giving us suggestions. First off, we need to go to leader stats. And we don't need to do blank table. Secondly, you can save, you save could oversave instead when you can change it. Save it when the player leaves, when the server shuts down with game bind close and every 120. 200, okay. Character table, character storage, you get the data, then they save the data. Not in studio, but I'm not gonna do... okay, got you. But how am I gonna access the table, the saved table stuff? I guess get table. Oh yeah, I could just use get table then. But then how do you like add to the table? That's the thing. Do you just use set? You just use set, I guess. Huh. I'm still a bit afraid how to. I'm still not exactly sure how to use it. But we'll see. I already said this, but so Domtu can see it again. Domtu. I could write the Google Docs for you because I'm actually quite good at writing, and it's my passion. I mean, yeah, sure. Let's talk after stream. Once the stream ends, I'll message you about it. Just remind me after stream, please, because I might actually forget. So yeah. Okay. So I'm curious. How do I save a table as a thing? Could I use a method? Let me quickly see. Could I use a method as a? Is there a way to save tables as a method? No, it doesn't seem like you can do that. Okay, fine. We get the items, and we're gonna have to do something with them. The shop handler. Local item store, okay. You just do this, I'm curious. Local stats folder. Yeah. You just do this. Item store. Set. The thing is, it's going to overwrite everything else. I have to somehow figure out a way to get all the current items that the player has. This is annoying. Okay, I think I'm going to do something in the player module. I think I'm going to make a function that basically gives you all the items. Basically, just gives you a table of all the items the player currently has, because I don't know how another way of doing this without, like, you know, overwriting existing data, because data stores, even with data store 2, it's still very annoying to do. So, yeah. Let's just make a new module in player module. So, what is it? Function player module. Get bot items. This is going to equal to, what is it? No, we don't need equals, we just do that. And again, we get the player. And you have to do this now, which I think is probably the only way of doing it. So, local plot equal to player.plot. Local items is equal to, plot dot value dot items. We do this. So we're going to do local item table. And so we're going to set this to an empty table, and we're going to do this. For underscore item in pairs. Not item table, items. Get children. I'm going to do this. Oops. I have to screw that over. I can't type like a normal person. Wait, what did I just do? Ah, there we go. Okay, I kind of messed that up. I'm going to do this. So table dot insert item table. That's how I can spell. And we do item dot name. I think this is the only way we can do it. Then once all this runs, we just return the item table. And I think that's how we're gonna have to do it, which I'm personally fine with. But yeah. 116 subscribers, that's pretty nice. But yeah. Yep, bot items, player, yeah, okay. That's fine. Okay, I think I get it. Okay, we don't set to empty table, but instead we're gonna have to we're gonna have to get quickly go into main and get player module. Because we need player module at this moment. Player module, come to my rescue. Here we go, player module. Good. We do this now. So the player module, go back down to wherever the hell we did this, yeah. I'm gonna get this. Local, old. We're gonna do this. Item table is equal to player module dot player module. Wait, did I do it correctly? I did script up player module. No. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. Actually, wait. I actually have to change this because the position where. Sorry for starting my words, but I have to actually move player module outside of main because I have to use it now outside of main. So it's instead now the new position it is going to be game.server script service. Not server storage, server script service dot what is it? Player module, yeah. I need to learn how to spell properly because I don't know how to use a keyboard. I keep misspelling. And let me also update main script with the new position. Or the new location of the script. There we go. Now we can actually access that thing. So I think it's get bot items. There we go. It works. Player module get bot items. And this is going to return the table of every single item that it has. And now we do this. We're going to do table dot insert. We're going to insert into item table. We're going to just insert item dot name. There we go. And now we set the item store to this. We just set item store, or I mean item table, and I think that's actually done. So we made it so what we've made is whenever you buy an item, it sets it to the item store. But now we need to do is retrieve. Is when you join the game, we need to get the item store, you know, all the items, and set it to the plot. So I think I know how to do that. I think it's going to require making a new module and changing some stuff. So what I'm actually going to do now, I'm going to change this is, I'm going to actually move check item. Actually, we need to move check item. Yeah, I'm going to move these two functions into a module script. Because I need to use them in more than one script. I need to use them more in a different script, not just shop handler. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So to do that, we're going to go here and make a new module script. And we're going to call this item module. Yeah, there we go. Item module. Again, we're going to rename these to item module. Control C, Control V. I'm going to make this. So all I'm going to do is literally, I'm just going to keep the same scripts exactly the same. Actually, do I keep it exact same? Yeah, I literally keep it exact same when you do this. Control X. Control V. Get rid of local. And do function. Item module. There we go. That's the first function. Now let's move to second function. So we go back to, where is it? Shop handler. I mean, move item to plot. We also want to move this to the item module. So paste that in, get rid of function, get rid of local, and add item module behind of this. Yeah, behind this. I just realized now we input the value, but now we need to input the table manually. So we need to access the table and capitalize this so it doesn't think it's something else. Oh, wait, no. No. Actually, I was doing it correctly. I just need to manually, I just kind of forgot what this is. I actually have to quickly also import, not import, but also get the position of, what is it? Where did I keep, You have to move item info from here to main as well. Basically, just moving almost all of the module scripts from a script to server script service. That's all I'm basically doing at the moment, because I have to use this stuff. So we're going to define this as well. So local item info is equal to game.serverScriptService dot item info, but I just realized you need to put require. So since it's a module script, I also have to capitalize that so it works with this. Okay. Make sure item.module item to plot. Found first child plot part. If plot part, then okay, yeah, that should be fine. I think this is all done. But I just also need to change the location of item info in shop handler, because now item info is not script.iteminfo, but rather game.serverScriptService.iteminfo. And these I need to also change, but first off I need to define the item module. So local item info, actually not item info, item module is equal to require game.serverScriptService.item module. Now you just do this. Item module dot, there we go. Same here, we just index this with that. See if there's any other errors. Yep, change that. I don't think there's any more errors, which is good. But first off, I have to quickly check if everything works. So let's just do a quick playtest again. See if there's any errors, because I do not want any errors in my script. I keep forgetting to delete this, because Happy Rock is, that's just a random script they left in plot 4, which I forgot to get rid of, so, yeah. Homeless Simulator. It's loading the mesh parts. Good. Yeah, this is the loading script I made last stream, if you weren't there. But yeah. Ooh. I just forgot. I forgot to enable API services, which if you don't know, if you want to make data stores work, you have to go and enable API services, which I'm gonna do now. So I think it's in communication if I'm correct. No? Permissions? I think it's in permissions. No. Oh yeah, security, it's security. Yeah, I have to enable studio access to API services. I need to do that. Let me enable that. There we go. Now let's press play and see if this works. Hopefully it works. Don't worry, Notable, I'm not gonna forget. Or is it Notable, or is it Notable? Yeah, I'm just gonna call you Notable. As in no tables. Let me see what happened. I got an error somewhere. You must provide a default value. Hey, did I not say a default value? I swear I did. But the person said... Oh, look. Yeah, the person said that you don't need to put anything in here, but I guess they're a liar. Look. First off, when you use get with a table, you don't even have that inside. Well, you're lying then. What a liar. Big liar, you know. Let me actually quickly just go into here. let me drink some water, because my throat's actually dying. My throat's actually dying, and I have to keep on, okay, I'm just gonna drink water. So far, no errors. That's good. Okay. Let's just see. Okay, there, we're getting more money. That's good. Now let's leave the game. And let's go back in and see if it updates my money. Okay, yeah. Player left saved data. Nice. Let's see. Let's see, does it save my money data? Does it load it in? It's notable. It says no table in my bio lamo. Ah, if I was like notable as in like known, as in synonym for known. Okay. Data store works. I just need to quickly fix GUI so it actually updates it. Which I'm gonna do right now real quick. So let me go to where is it? Star GUI or GUI? Where I call it GUI like a normal person. I'm not Alvin Blocks who calls it GUI. And we go to not loading script, but game GUI, update GUI, and I'm gonna do this. You have to change the default. Do that. And I think that should fix it if I'm correct. That's what I'm saying, if I'm correct. Actually, I might have to add like a function to wait until there's actual data in there. Because I don't think it immediately loads in your data. I think you have to like wait. I attempted to index nil with value, what do you mean? Attempted to index nil with value. Money.value. Ah, because I don't... I find first child. Ah, I think I have to add a wait. Okay, I have to add a wait. Or wait for child, not find first child. Let's do that real quick. Let's go to, not pedestrian AI, where is it? Yeah, here. I have to actually do wait for child. That's annoying. Wait for child and wait for child here. Okay, that should actually work now. Should work. That's the word. Should work. I love waiting for stuff to load. Come on, please work. Nah, it's okay, it works, it works, it works. Money saving works. Now I need to set up the item saving. So let's do that now. Now, we need to wait until the data is loaded, or the item data is loaded. And from there, we're going to do this. So, in main script, we're going to do this. First off, we're going to define, we're going to get our item module. And that's the reason why we put into a module, move the two functions into a module. Just so we can access it in main script. So we're going to do this. Local, not print. Why do I keep actually typing random crap out? Local item module is going to equal to, what is it? Require game.serverScriptService.item module. There we go. We're going to do this. We're going to wait until the player's loaded. So, yeah. We're going to wait until they're loaded. But the thing is, that doesn't wait until the actual data's loaded, so... I need to see how to, how do I wait until the data is loaded? Because if the data's not loaded, then, not good. Does it, like, yield it? You don't need to know if a data stores it back and saving. Before initial get, no. After save, get to sync. Same as get, but we'll return a promise instead of yielding. Ah, so it does yield. Okay, never mind. You can use get because it yields the script, which is why I need. Where did you learn scripting? I first learned scripting, like, basic scripting from Alvin Blocks' 2020 scripting series, specifically that. Then after that, I just started making my own projects, like simple games, like creating a speedrun clone. And then whenever I need to like add something, I just researched it, and from there I just started like learning all the stuff like tween service and other things, data stores in this case. So yeah, you just need to like learn. You need to begin from just learning basic scripting and slowly start actually learning new things. Like how I learned a bunch of stuff from this series already. Which, yeah, I think the next thing I'm probably going to learn is, particles, because I do not know how to use particles at all. Because I want to make the game look, decent. So, yeah, I'm going to learn how to use particles next. Which I'll probably do next stream, like making the game, polishing the game up with, like, particles and stuff. But yeah, where was I? I kind of forgot. Yeah, item module. I forgot. I remember. So after this is loaded, we do this. We get the item store. So we got the player already, so we need local item store is equal to data store 2, which I haven't defined, which let me define that again, because I basically need to define that in every single script. I just kind of realized that. Just copy this from here, paste it into here, because it's the exact same. So a local item store is equal to data store 2, then what was it? Items? When I get the player, we do this. Item store, get. So we're just gonna get it, or get table. And I do this. So local item table is equal to this. And now we're gonna do this. So first off, we need to cycle through every single value in the table. So I'm gonna do this for underscore item, or actually item name, because they're item names. I mean, make sure to not forget that. In pairs, not pedestrian spawn bar, in pairs. We do item table. There we go. And we do this. First, we need to find the item. We have to see if it exists. Oh wait, let me see. Domtu, have you seen the progress I've made on the Innovation Inc. game? Not really. I haven't really checking. Haven't really checked my own Discord server, or at least a dev chat. I'll check it out after stream. Again, remind me again, again, because as soon as I press the stop stream button, I'm just probably gonna forget everything. So yeah. Let me continue. So we're gonna get the item name. So every item in the item table, we do this. We need to find the item, the item's values. So we're gonna do this. Item module, actually local item items table, because we already have item here. Actually, not. Let me do items table here. Well, this is just me regular item table. And this is gonna be equal to item module dot check item. We input the value we need, which is, what is it? Yeah, item name. There we go. And if there is an item table, then I'm gonna get the object. So we're gonna do this. Item module dot move item to plot. We're gonna do item table dot items item table. Let me make sure it's correctly spelled. Yeah, if there's item table, then we do item table dot. Let me quickly check item info. What did I call it? I think it was object. Yeah, object. Dot object. And we clone it. Next, we need to put position. Which, what did I do here? Let me quickly check. Item module. Position. What's the position? We need to get the item's position. Yeah, I remember. Item table dot pause. When you get the first index, because I put it all in a table just so it's easier to Why didn't you just use profile service? It's much easier to use. Profile service is pretty limited. Once you reach enough players in your game, it starts bugging out. And as well as that, I just rather use the better way of saving data, which is data stores. So yeah. Or in this case, I'm using data store 2, but it still runs off of, data stores. It just makes it easier to use. So, yeah. Item table of position, the first index. What was the other thing that I'd ask for? Let's see. Item module. Oh yeah, the player. Okay, we just put in player then. And if I'm correct, this should work. Hopefully. Fingers crossed it works. And if this works, then basically my data store saving system will work. except for upgrades, which I haven't implemented yet. So, yeah. Where's my water bottle? Want to drink more water? Oh, okay. What happened? I saw an error. You must provide default value. Ah, yeah, I forgot to do that. Crap, let me do that. Where was it? Main script, I think, wasn't it? You have to input default value again. Well, that's annoying, but I have to. Fingers crossed. I mean, so far I don't have anything saved in my items, so currently I just need to quickly buy an item, and yeah. Loaded game. So far nothing broke. I like I'm just happy that it just didn't break. I'm glad it just doesn't break. Okay, let me just quickly give myself $5 so I can buy the item. Just myself $6. Oh my goodness, it changed it to 6. I forgot, I need to actually instead index my money, because since leader stats is now different, I changed the leader stats thing. Huh. Oh, I just realized I need to change... No. Let me real quick check something, because I don't know if I set up the buy system, or like, it's the subtract your money thing correctly. Let me see real quick, because I think I might have not did that, because now I need to, instead of changing the, leader stats.money, I need to change the data store.money. Yo, Domtu, if something happens / game crashes, then Roblox server dying right now. I think I am late. You're an hour late, but it's not that bad. At the moment, all I had done is, make the data store system. I haven't really done much else. So, yeah. Yeah, let me actually save. You just reminded me I should probably save the game before something happens. I'll just do Control-S and save the game real quick. Just in case, like, I back to do a while loop and break the whole server. Or break the whole game. Crash studio. So, yeah. Okay, let me go back to, where was it? Not shop script. Shop handler, where is it? Let me see, how did I set this up? Yeah, not money.value, but instead I need to do... Oh, crap. I burnt by accident. Sorry about that. I need to make local, we need to load this real quick. You do this instead. Local, not load screen. And add local money table, money store is equal to data store 2 money and the player. Let me do this instead. Money store increment. We increment it, and now we do item table.price. We do a minus in front of it, just like basically subtract instead of add. Like it actually be fixed. Okay, let's try now. I'm gonna have to wait a bit until I get $5. Roblox is dying again. Oh, really? That means that data store servers might actually be down as well. Your data store servers might get destroyed as well, considering they're all connected. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Or it could just be, it could just be the Adopt Me update. Who knows? Usually when Adopt Me updates, the whole all of Roblox all just Roblox servers crash and stuff. Let's hope that doesn't happen. But yeah. Okay. Come on, give me $5. I need enough. Come on, give me a bit more. There we go. Let's test it. Let's buy Happy Rock. It subtracts my money. It places it down. Let's leave the game. Let's stop studio. Error when player left. Invalid at input.items.item name because mixed array / dictionary. Wait. Mixed array / dictionary. What do you mean by that? shouldn't happen. But let me quickly see what happens when I play again. I want to quickly see how to access my data through Data Store 2 using my Data Store plugin that I have. That I bought. Because I kind of forgot to do that, but we'll see. Does it load my item? That's what I'm curious about. Yeah, no, it doesn't load my item. That's sad. Okay, wait. Let me see really quick. Let's see how to see my data, because look. What I have is this data store editor. I bought this this plugin which allows me to like edit data stores and stuff. Like certain players' data and stuff. Which I might do for giveaways actually, considering. I could make maybe like host giveaways on my Discord for like in-game money and stuff. I could do that, but at the moment that's like a future idea for now, you know? Let's make a suggestion poll on what you should do next. Nah, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to build a map next once I make the, you know, data store system. Once it's functional. But yeah. Let's real quick search up how to use data store editor with data store 2, because I do not know how to actually do that. So, yeah. Let's search it up. How to use data store editor